girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I have my November 2023 Icon Box. And I was so excited to get this one because Pat McGrath was the curator of the box for the month of November 2023. I love Pat McGrath products. I have sampled some of the products in here and I'm wearing them for you guys, for my friends here. So I am wearing some of the things that's in the box. We'll go through what I am wearing and I'll show you how everything worked out. But overall, I had a very nice experience with everything that I tried. I didn't use everything that's in our box, but I did use a few of the products in here, the Pat McGrath products. So let's get into this thing. Aha! So we have our little newspaper here, and Pat McGrath is on the cover here. And oh, I love her eyeshadows. If you have not tried Pat McGrath eyeshadows, please try those. Those are my favorite. But I love her products. Her products are expensive, so the fact that they're at IPSY, I'm like super excited. The box is curated by Pat McGrath this month. Inside our newspaper, we have informations. We have about the products, about what else they have. Little information in here, so all little stuff like that is in our box here. We're just going to hit what's in my box. Let's get into this thing. Yay! Okay, so the first product I'm pulling out, I have an Avant product. Now I know this is a bougie brand that I'm generally not that impressed with, to be quite honest. I know this is kind of pricey, but this is just, you know, their stuff is always pricey. I just think it does okay to me. I don't know. I'm not overly impressed to go buy it on my own. But anywho, we have the Avant Skincare. This is the Protective Mandolin Acid Restoring and Anti-Pollution Toner. So I have a full-size bottle. This is a 6.76 fluid ounces. I'm going to take it out of here so we can take a look. I do love toners now. Toners are my thing because I like my skin to be like completely nice and clear and cleaned up, and toners do help with things like that, help exfoliate some of the dead skin. So I do love a good toner, so it's not going to waste. I'm just saying I'm not going out to go buy Avant products, and that's just my opinion. I don't know how you guys made out with them, but I just think they're okay. All right, so let's hit the next one. So our next product I'm gonna pull out of here. Fragrance girls are so happy this month. So I have Commodity. This is their fragrance called Gold. So I am very familiar with Commodity because I have the other fragrance called Milk, which is one of my favorite fragrances as well. And I have sampled Gold, and I didn't have an actual Gold in my inventory for fragrances. So this works out so perfect for me. So I'm very happy. So these are generally like unisex scents with Commodity. So if you're a fragrance person, like, and you like different things, this, you'll probably be happy with this. But yeah, I'm familiar with this, so I'm kind of very happy to have this product here. So this is like one I'm glad to get. But this is a fragrance called Gold, and they got it all wrapped up in here. I'm gonna try to open it up. Here we go. Here we go. Finally. So this is the size that we have. I think this is a great size, especially if you haven't tried out the fragrance to really try it out. You got enough to kind of know whether or not you like it or not. It's not like a sample size, but it's like this is what, like an ounce and a half or something like that. What do they have on here? Yeah, 1 fluid ounce. Perfect to try out a fragrance to see if you like it or not. So I got Gold, so I'm very happy about that. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, we have a Murad product. Very familiar with Murad. I like that. I like Murad as a brand anyway. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion, and this is Resurgence is what they have on here. So oh, so this is supposed to have like a filler like effect and plump skin, and to plump skin surface, and minimizes the look of wrinkle and your pores. Oh, so that's nice. That's good. Maybe I'll try that under the under eyes, because that's where I feel like I need the extra, you know. get older, you need that under them eyes, child. Them eyes be looking tired. You be like, what happened to you? Nothing. What's wrong? They like, you look tired. But I'm not tired. Why are you telling me that? Because the under eyes, they just, Alright, so I'm going to try this out and see if I like this one. But this is the product outside of its box. So hopefully I'll like it if it does what it says. So let's go on to the next one. Alright, I'm going to be nice and give y'all some Pat McGrath because I kind of got it building up. So here's the blush palette for Pat McGrath. We have the Divine Rose Luxe Quad. And Eternal Eden is the palette. This is how it comes out of the box. They got a little plastic covering here. It does have a mirror. I did use the eyeshadow palette to create my look, so I'm going to cover this up so I'm not blinding you guys. I did start off with this color here for the end. As you guys can see on the camera, I'm kind of showing you like me using the palette. And I did like how my look came out. Like, not overdone, but very nice kind of look you could go out. It's not too much. But we did get two of the shimmers in this palette. And the colors we have are Pink Mystique, Temptation, Earthly Delight, and Forbidden Fruit. Love the names, but I enjoy working with this palette. I love, like I said, I love Pat McGrath, her eyeshadows. So I had fun playing with this palette. I couldn't wait to get my hands in it. So I'm just showing you me playing around in the palette, having a good time. So let's hit our next one, guys. So guys, we also got a Fenty product in here, and we have, looks like a Pro Kiss Luscious Lip Balm. I got the color Cocoa Drizzle. So this is like a almost like a chocolatey kind of plum color is what I'm seeing here. So this is the color here, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand so you guys can see what this looks like. A nice fall color here to play around with for a lip gloss. I think that's beautiful. That definitely works for me. I can wear this and have a little fun with the Cocoa Drizzle. So hyped to get this one too. This is good so far for me. I'm very happy as I go through the box. So far we got a lot going on. So I also did get a lip liner. So the lip liner we have, this company is called, what is their name? Beauty Vault is the name of the company. And we have a Buy a Lip Liner Trio in Bloomy Bow, Pick Paria, and Rena. I'm sorry. So that's some interesting names for these liners, but let me show you what they look like. So these are the three colors we got for the lip liners. I did use this color here. What is this one called? This one is called Pick Perla or Perlala. I'm butchering it however you want to say it. Yeah, Pick Perla. Yeah, Pick Perla is the color that I'm lining my lips with on the video, and I like it. I think it had a lot of pigment to it. Went on good. I had no problem. I'm gonna do quick swatches so I can show you guys. So this is the color that I'm using, and you guys can see that one really good. I think it was nice and soft. It wasn't like it was rough. Then we have this. What color is this one? This is Bloom Bow. So I'm going to do that one as well. And that's a pinky color. And you could kind of just create a look with these actual liners. I think that would be great. And we have Rena. So I'm going to do a swatch of Rena for you guys as well. And I used the liners here. I paired them with our next item out of the box, which is going to be the Pat McGrath lipstick. So I'm going to show that to you. But again, these are how our liners are looking. So very nice. Very nice. Nice and creamy, not rough. Goes on like nice and creamy. Love it. Love it. Love it. So we have our Pat McGrath lipstick. And I have the color Way. And that's the name Way. And I love how the lipstick comes. Isn't this just so cute? I love it. So this is our color. You guys see me putting that on in the video. This is like a nice color. I really enjoyed this, like to create like a fun look. So I kind of mixed the liner and the lipstick together and just kind of made my own look, and had fun with trying out the makeup. So I suggest you guys do the same thing. Have fun. If you got this in your box, have fun. I love this. This was fun. So I like both of them. I like the Pat McGrath, and I love how the liners work together. I think these were perfectly paired together for the box. So that was a hit for me. Last, everybody go chop breakfast. Yeah, yo. Okay. So guys, we have our last item. This is the Quick Flick. If you are not good with doing a wing, I can do my wing pretty good that I'm satisfied with. This is like a stamper. So this product, you do the line, has one end, which is the liner. This is the stamper part here. And you would kind of line it up with your eye on the corner and just stamp it in. And then you would use your liner here and kind of just draw it over. This is like a liquid liner from what I'm seeing, and it goes on very intense. Very intense. But I like liquid liners because I think they give you more of a sharper look. So if that's something where you want more of a bold look, I think a liquid liner will definitely get the job done. But this will be fun to try because I can already do a wing. But for those days when you need to be quick, I think this will come in very handy, and I can't wait to try this. So guys, in review, let's wrap this thing up. We have the Quick Flick eyeliner stamp kit for the wing. We have our Pat McGrath lipstick here in the color red. We have our Beauty Vault lip liners, and we have a trio of 3 lip liners. Dope. We have our Fenty lip gloss in the color Cocoa Drizzle. We have our Pat McGrath eye quad, and this is in a Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal. And these again are our colors, which are very nice, very nice, very nice. We also have a fragrance. We have Commodity by Gold. I'm familiar with the brand. I should have no problem with this. Matter of fact, I didn't even spray. Let me get myself. Ooh, I like that. Oh, that's nice. Like a nice scent for fall too. This gold one. Y'all should try that one. We have Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion, which is supposed to give you like a filter, like, what do they call it? Yeah, a topical filler. It give you a plumping effect in areas that you need it in. And we also have the Avant toner, and this is like an AHA, BHA, everybody A toner, so it does a little bit of everything. So this is my box for the month of November 2023. This was a good box for me. Now, I don't know about how you guys feel about your boxes, but for me, I am very pleased with most of the items in here. I mean, they're from all big brands. And I'm trying out like a lot of different things. I did enjoy the Beauty Vault lip liners and the Pat McGrath products and the fragrance. I'm a fragrance girl. That's perfect for me. This was a good box for me. Very pleased with the Icon box. This box is $58. You're always guaranteed up to a $350 value in this subscription. This is a quarterly one that comes out. So every 3 months they do the Icon box by IPSY. So if you're interested in this box and you haven't subscribed to IPSY, this is one to check out. You might be interested in getting this one. And you get full-size products, which is the best. So can't complain there. But guys, thank you for watching my video today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love sharing what's in my subscription boxes with you guys. If you have not subscribed, please tap the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Bye!